All right, we're trying Ultimate Fire Link Explosion. We have some free play, so we're going to do some larger betting. We're playing on nickels. Min bet is 30 credits, but because we have the free play, we'll play on nickels. We'll bet 60 credits, and so that'll be $3 a spin. See if we can win something big. Here we go. Bonus! All right, big bets here. $3 a spin for us. Oh, come on. We need 4 of those fireballs to trigger the bonus. 3 chests to get the free games. We played a version of this game before. This version has monkeys in a tree. Not sure what that means, what that does. Oh, that should be good. Got about 10 bucks. Oh man, they threw down the balls, but we only got 2. Come on, monkeys. Oh, come on. Oh. Those umbrellas are wild. We need lots of umbrellas. Oh wait, come on, bonus. Oh man. We are quickly losing our free play. We only had about 50 bucks that we put in. We do have more cash. We'll probably keep playing, but man, I wanted to hit a big bonus on the $3 spins. Okay, I think we got like 2 spins left, everyone. Come on. Oh, we got some jacks. Got our money back. Oh. Well, they only throw down 1 ball. They need to throw down more than that. Okay, we'll do 1 more spin. All right. We'll keep playing, see if we can get a bonus. All right, everyone. Bonus time. We did get the wheel. We are not betting $3 a spin anymore. I think we're betting $1.50. Still playing on nickels, though. Trying to get a really big bonus. Come on. I'd like Super Fire Link. That'd be pretty fun. Fire Link, Super Fire Link. Oh. Are we going to get it? Oh, stop. Free games. Okay. Wow, that major is right there. Ooh, it's an expanded reel. Okay, so we got big reels here. I'll try and get it all in. We have 5 free games. Just need 4 of those fireballs to land. All the fireballs pay at least in this thing. Man, we got 3. Bonus and a bonus. Oh! 2 games left. Last game, come on, something big. Nothing. All right, 1,200 nickels, so that's about 60 bucks. Yeah, not bad for $1.50. All right, we'll keep playing, see if we can get the hold and spin bonus. All right, everyone, we got the bonus. We got the hold and spin at long last. Still betting $1.50. Those are nickel amounts still. That 360 is a really good one to start out with. That's an $18 ball. All right. The more fireballs we get, the more levels we'll unlock. Only 2 more. 1 more. All right. Got several $1.50 amounts. Okay, we unlocked that. Oh, and we unlocked the second layer too. Nice. Two more levels. 4 balls, 3 now. All right. Come on, monkeys. Throw down some fireballs. Into one of our open rows. Okay, this is last spin, everyone. Got to get 1 in order to keep it going. 3 to open up that next level. Got a $20 ball on the very top there if we get 7. All right, let's go. We can do it. We can get 1 more ball. I believe in you, monkeys. Let's do it. There it is. Keeping it alive. I knew the monkeys would do it. Oh, we got 1 more. Okay, we just need 1 to open up that next level. And we did it, all right. Just 1 more level to go. 2 balls, come on. 2 balls is not hard. We want that $20. Oh, there we go. That's not, oh man, that was huge. We got the top level. We have all of it open. All right, back up a little bit here. I saw a mini go through. Oh no, come on, don't let us down, monkeys. You got us this far. Come on, anything landed. Save it, save it! Oh, monkeys. Well, you got us to the top level. I'm not gonna be upset about that. We'll see how much this is. Pretty good. Those are all nickel amounts. Better than last bonus. We break 100. Yes! By the skin of our teeth. All right, just over $100 on a $1.50 bet. I will take that. Yes, thank you for the applause, Mr. Monkey. I was just kind of hanging around. They didn't throw down a whole lot of those fireballs, but we still won $100, so I will consider that a good win. This was a lot of fun. We'll probably cash out there and call it a day. Thanks, everyone. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video today. We hope you'll check out more of our slot bonus videos on our channel. You can see a couple suggestions up on the screen right there. The one on the left, it says my suggestion. It's randomly served, but we still think it's a great video. We hope you'll check it out. Hopefully you'll turn on those notifications, and we'll see you again next time.